On the streets of Frankenmuth, Michigan, three brothers and a friend emerged who are about to rock the planet. They are Greta Van Fleet. Here's the Candlelight Sessions version of their song Tears of Rain. I was blown away by my first reaction video to these guys. Exceptional musicianship, and man, let's go. Make sure to like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video. Helps with the old algorithm. Hello, Mr. Algorithm. Can you please help my video rise to the ranks of master? That made no sense. All right, Greta Van Fleet, Candlelight Sessions, Tears of Rain, live. Let's do it. And I did learn that the band name, Greta Van Fleet, they knew a elderly woman in their hometown called Greta Van Fleet. I think it was their hometown anyways. Greta Van Fleet, who was an inspiration to them, let's say that. Speaking from a place of not very much knowledge about it, but yeah, so let's get to it.
The planet is still burning, and the faces are still burning, and the mothers with their children search for the rain. Drifting through the plains before us, as it turns to dust before our eyes.
His vocals are so insane, so talented, and super unique. That's crazy. I love the aesthetic too of this music video. It's kind of like I don't know what era. I think on my first video I made a reference to Barry Lyndon, even though the main singer Josh is not dressed like in any similarity to a character from Barry Lyndon, but dude in the back there kind of looks like he's wearing Jerry Seinfeld's puffy shirt from the Puffy Shirt episode. But yeah, I love the aesthetic, and his voice is incredible. This is different, definitely different. A little bit more laid back, slower. Love the piano.
Pleading for a God to pour us just a little bit of rain from an empty sky, and the planet is still turning, and the faces are still burning, and the mothers with their children search for the rain.
There's the Barry Lyndon shot. Dude, transcendent performance. Ooh, these guys ever come to town, I'll have to try to get a ticket. Insane vocals, absolutely exquisite. It seems to me a really special band. They've caught some lightning in a bottle. Ton of chemistry, creativity off the charts, songwriting, style, and they rock. Definitely harkens back to like when there was rock bands, and just what this group brings to the table, just from my second reaction. So, wow, that was incredible. Let me know your thoughts down below. Love to see your insight, your knowledge, your opinions on this, your views, and any little trivia, tidbits, facts that you might have if you're a big fan. I've only just discovered them this week, really. So, yeah, it's going to be interesting going forward. Hope to get some more songs of them on the channel, because, yeah, that's incredible. And I will definitely be getting some studio versions, and I've already listened to a couple of their older tracks on Spotify on the studio versions, and it's just blowing me away. So good stuff. All right, we'll see you soon. Take care, everyone. Have a wonderful weekend, day, night, evening, whatever it may be, wherever you are. Drink lots of water. Peace.